Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, October 31st, and it's going to be a chilly day. If we look at some of the headlines coming up, again, we expect some rain and maybe some snow mixed in this morning in some spots, and then mainly showers scattered about through the afternoon. And again, much like yesterday, not heavy amounts, but some areas could pick up a tenth or so of an inch of rain. And then we expect some of those showers to turn back to snow showers, and between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock, we start out, I think, in the upper 30s and drop to the mid 30s by 8 o'clock. And if we look at the next system that'll be coming in for Wednesday night, that looks like it could have a warm front that's going to try to push it towards the area. And as it does, we could see a burst of snow on the front end of that could bring an inch, maybe 2 inches to places like Clare and Harrison, Big Rapids. And then all together, it looks like most areas will pick up around 1/4 to maybe 4/10 of an inch. And we could even hear a rumble of thunder as that warm front moves, tries to move into the area. So there'll be some instability with this system, and more rain and warm temperatures expected once we get past this cool mass, air mass that we're in right now. Here's a photo yesterday from the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids showing gravel that fell across the area, and we've seen that here in mid-Michigan as well. Not quite to this extent here, but some areas did get pretty heavy downpour of some gravel. And if we look at the climate data for today, Tuesday, October 31st, our normal high is 46, the normal low is 38. And you can see yesterday, not too far from the normals, we were a little warmer than normal at 48, the low of 35. We picked up 0.08 of an inch of precipitation, and we'll call snowfall a trace, even though it was really soft hail or, again, gravel. And you can see since midnight, some areas, especially across southwestern areas with that lake effect, getting some precipitation here, and I expect more of that to break out here as we go through the day in many areas. And if we look at the precipitation for the month of October, you can see 7 inches, a little more than 7 inches at Breckenridge and Newaygo. Clarksville and Lansing over 8 inches, and these numbers in red show you what the combined rainfall was for the months of July, August, and September, and we absolutely destroyed those just with the rain here in October, and we'll pick up a little bit more, and we'll show this map again tomorrow once these numbers are final. And if we look at temperatures around the area this morning, it's pretty uniform out there with the clouds and the breezy conditions. Temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 30s, and the same across much of the state. You can see temperatures mainly in the 30s across the area, a couple of low 40s down in southeast lower Michigan, but again with these clouds insulating, where you have pretty uniform temperatures for the most part. On the radar this morning, you can see some of those showers coming in. We got another shot of cold air coming down. As that interacts with some of the attempted daytime heating, you'll see more and more scattered showers develop across the area. So we expect a really good shot that everybody's going to see showers in, especially for this morning. Some of the areas that get into some of the heavier showers could actually see some pretty good snowflakes come down for a brief period of time. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see the front that brought in the cooler air and the lake effect now well off to the east coast. High pressure with the northwest winds coming across the lake is helping to induce a lot of this clouds and precipitation that we're experiencing. Our next system will be gathering strength off to the west, and as it drops down into the plains tomorrow, it'll begin to approach the area as we get towards tomorrow night with a good chance of rain that'll last into Thursday morning. And again, amounts could be around 1/4 to maybe 4/10 of an inch across much of the area. And again, the area we're going to want to watch is northern Michigan, maybe even including Clare, Harrison, Big Rapids, maybe Mount Pleasant. Could see a touch of snow at the beginning as that warm air overrides the cold front, or the warm air overrides that warm front into the cooler air. We could see a little burst of snow at the beginning, and then this system will move off. As far as precipitation, we've upped these a little bit. I was calling for about 1 to 3/10 of an inch of precipitation for the entire week. Looks like additional rainfall is going to certainly put us over that here over the next 84 hours. So altogether, it looks like we may about double that, about 2 to 6/10 for the week as far as total precipitation. And if we look at the forecast for today, you can see some of the rain and snow mixed today, highs in the upper 30s to around 40, lows tonight around freezing. And then we expect temperatures tomorrow to be a little bit warmer with some showers likely, especially as we get at night. For the day, mostly cloudy skies. I don't think we'll see much in the way of precipitation until we get towards evening or at nighttime. And then again, a good chance of rain lasts into Thursday morning. It'll be warmer with that warm front coming through, highs in the mid to upper 50s. And we expect temperatures just to settle back down just a little bit behind that with some scattered showers on Friday and Saturday. And then we might even push up towards 60 degrees as we get into Sunday before a cold front comes through later on Monday with more showers and much cooler air as we get into early next week. As far as weather watch this morning, we've got the freeze warnings across portions of south central Illinois into southern and southwestern Indiana. We've got winter weather advisories for the UP. They could see a quick 2 to 5 inches of snow, especially as we get into tomorrow night. And then winter storm watches in effect for the arrowhead of Minnesota, where a quick 3 to 5 inches of snow could fall in just a couple of hours. That's mainly why you see the winter storm watches, not because of the 6 or 8 inch amounts of snow. It's because this snow will come in a very short period of time, creating hazardous driving conditions. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.